I was very introvert kind of a thing. I was very, scared of talking to everyone, not open at all, and always frustrated. Anger issues I had, lots of health issues also I have had, and always blaming and complaining about how others, make me feel. Now I'm watching myself being transformed in a much better person, more better communication with my family also, my children. I can communicate with them in a very kind and polite manner, even to my in-laws and even my husband.
All right, welcome once again to the HOF interview, Hall of Fame interview. We have the awesome energy queen Dimple with us, who's from Mumbai and who's achieved very good results, massive results in the area of her relationship, as well as her career is growing. I mean, she's happy in her life more than anything else, right, Dimple?
Yes, that's true.
So, congratulations once again for achieving the Energy Queen Light Bearer Award from me. And you've been an amazing student, amazing a woman for that matter, and an Energy Queen, of course. So, let's talk more about you today. Dimple, you tell me, आप कहाँ से आए थे? How did you join my class? What happened when you came into the Energy Queens community? Where were you? And now, where are you now? I would love to hear that from you, Dimple. So, here, over to you.
Yes, Samantha. Yes, first of all, thank you so much. I'm very much thrilled to be here today and very much excited to share my experience with everyone here. So, like, it's been 1 year now. So, in last year, I last more than 1 year, I could say. So, like, I'm a homemaker and a home tutor also, mother of 3 kids, and love my family, love my children, and I love teaching. And so it happened that I joined your webinar like more than 1 year ago. And it was like, I was very much, it was I was so impressed. I was so excited to see your energy levels. No, I was like, I also want that kind of energy level. I also want that kind of happiness. And you said that your life is going to change now. And I believe that time, yes. And it is true now. Would be why true. So I'm very much excited and so happy to in it being 1 year now, and lots of transformation and lots of changes, lots of good things happened since last 1 year in my health, my career, relationship, my family, my loved ones, everything.
Amazing, Dimple. So let's hear more about what good has happened in your life. Let's go one by one. So let's first take into account your relationship. So since you said you're a homemaker, family is of course very, very important. And family is one of my values. And I personally feel if your family is happy, everything works in your favor.
Yeah,
right? So
that's right.
yeah. So tell me more about your family life. I mean, as in right now, what are the changes, little experiences which you are, enjoying in your day-to-day life?
Yes, the relationship with my loved ones has been more stronger. The bond has become more strong, and communication skills have been improved a lot. And really love that quality time which I give to my family, and I feel so grateful to them, and I feel so grateful for myself. And yes, for sure, the credit goes to you, all of it, because you really helped me. Yeah, showed me a way how to do it. That's more important. Like, we know everything what we want to do, but we don't know how we want to do. So there should be someone to show a way, like to guide us. And it's you to guide me all the time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that.
Tell me some remarkable changes, as in, you've been talking about, yes, I know that your family life is good now and your relationship with your loved ones, your communication skills, everything is improved, right? But I mean, how do you measure it? How do you know, like, yeah, now it's changing? You can feel it, right? That it's changing. So, कुछ ऐसे incidents हुए हो या, there's not even incidents, because I know, I mean, it's a public, right now everybody is viewing this, but any small things which you would like to address over here, that in your relationships, which that, yeah, things were not like this before, but now it is improving. So anything which you want to share for that matter?
Yes, I'm seeing my family, being, I love my family a lot, but I was not able to communicate them nicely. I was not able to show them that I love them. So now I can show them that I love you a lot. I love you all a lot. And it's with my husband, we spend a lot of quality time with each other. We take care of the family, we take care of the kids as well. And it's been a, very good partnership, both of us. And it's been lovely. My kids are also like, I'm an example for them. They follow me. All my everything, they follow me as an example. It's been lovely.
Yes, amazing. So in fact, it showed me that even your children are now doing this affirmation works, and they are doing all kinds of things.
Yeah.
Right?
Even my younger son, he follows the yoga and meditation, which you showed me. So he follows that also. He does the affirmations, and my daughters, they also do the same. And yes, the exercises also, the yoga, asanas and all. Even my son loves doing that in the morning. He wakes up early in the morning with me and does all the yoga, asanas and everything. And he loves doing that.
Loves doing that. Good. And you live in a joint family, or is it a nuclear family?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, I live in a joint family with my mother-in-law, father-in-law, husband, and my child.
So how's the mother-in-law?
It's been a relation. Yes, they are very lovely people, and I love them a lot. And even they love me a lot. And my relationship with even my mother-in-law has, it's been improved a lot.
Yes.
So yes, it's better communication between both of us.
Amazing. Super. So these are the changes that you've seen after 1 year, is it?
Yes, that's true. And I'm still working on it. I still want to be the best person for them.
Good, amazing. Love it.
But my goal, I want to look after.
You want to change them. You want to change yourself. You're saying that, right? So no change outside, because you know that you can't change anybody outside, right?
No, we can't change others, but we can change ourselves.
Amazing. And you're seeing a change in yourself. So what changes have you made in your life, for that matter? As in any particular change that you made in your life? Earlier you were this, maybe anything, you used to do certain things, and now you've started behaving in a different way. So can you just tell us, like, what are the changes that you've gone through in your personal self?
Personally, yes. Like I was very introvert kind of a thing. I was very, scared of talking to everyone, not open at all, and always frustrated, anger issues. I had lots of health issues also. I had, and always blaming and complaining about how others, make me feel. And always, kukut aise baith jana, like not talking to others. So it has now, but now I'm watching myself being transformed in a much better person, more better communication with my family also, my children. I can communicate with them in a very kind and polite manner, even to my in-laws and even my husband, very politely. That is very polite communication with them, and with others also. I've made many friends for that matter, and with my relatives also. That is a very good relationship with them also. I love talking to them for hours and hours and keep on going on talking to them. If
you were first into a shell, but now you've come out of it completely. So now you've become a more open person, right?
Yes. True.
The anger issues have also come down, is it?
Of course, yeah. Anger issues and frustrated. I was always like frustrated. Why is this happening with me? Why is this happening with me all the time? But now, no complaints, no blaming, nothing. Just I give gratitude to God for whatever He has given me, and I love my life a lot. I live happier now, and always energetic, and always feel happier. And all thanks to you, because of you.
I can see the excitement.
Thank you so much for being.
No, my dear, you've taken action. Yes, you deserve. Yes, awesome, super. And what about you're a home tutor, you said. So any goals which you set, which you, accomplished, or anything growing there? Let us know more about that also.
Yes, I love teaching, actually. It's my passion. It's been my passion. So, but earlier it was like I was very afraid, that of setting my goals. I did not know the definite way, perfect, method, what to do. Like I was very scared. But now after you gave us some resources and some, methods, after following those methods and resources, now I'm able to increase my number of students in my class, and even started my extra batch also with my students. And with that, I'm even taking care of my family and kids as well, and loving them a lot, giving quality time to all of them. And even my students are doing very, very much good in their academic when they are becoming better.
Amazing.
Because I changed myself. Because of that. So I see a change in them also.
Amazing. Love it. So even you're saying that your students have also, for that matter, you have achieved your goals of your career. Yes. So how much was your goal?
That's right. Yeah.
What was that? So you, when you came to me, I remember that you told me that you wanted to start your afternoon batch also. But आपको लग रहा था कि आप time कैसे manage करोगे? Number one. Yes. But now you've started your afternoon
Yes, I was very afraid. Yeah. Yes, because of all the time management skills and everything you taught us. So it really helped me a lot to, maintain a balance between my work and my family. And it's really very important actually to give time to family also, because, and it should be we should maintain a balance. So I'm able to do that right now.
Good, amazing. And आपके batch भी आपके I think you've increased your number of students and maintaining your family.
Yes, initially just it were a couple of students, like 2 or 3 students. Now they are 11 right now, and even my afternoon batches also started. So a couple of students there also, and I'm looking forward to increase that also.
Good,
working on it right now.
Love it, Dimple. And anything to do with your health? How's your health right now?
Yes, health issues. I had lots of health issues earlier. Like I had lots of knee problems and my leg pain and everything related to my bones and all. And my energy levels were very low and used to feel very lethargic, and I didn't know what to do. Like I know what to do. I know what to do, but the how to do, I did not know the ways. Like, after joining your community, so I learned the ways how to look after your health. So my overall health has increased, and each and every day, I spend my each and every day from morning till night, I sleep. It's renewed sense of vitality, and I feel energetic all the time, happier and healthier. And because of that, my kids also follow that routine.
Good. So if
becoming,
is it better?
Yeah.
Knee problem and your leg pain?
Yeah, it's gone. It's cured. Yeah, it's cured almost.
Good. So your knee problem, you're saying, is gone completely. Yes? Amazing. Good.
Yeah. So all the techniques, it's healing right now.
Super duper awesome. So thank you so much, Dimple, for inspiring everyone. Yes, and she's amazing. She's women, Dimple, so amazing.
It's because of you, actually. You made me. Thank you, Ritima. Thank you so much. And the credit goes to you, actually. You really helped us, guide us, support us to achieve our goals and make us feel and energetic and lead a happy and healthy life with all the family, loved ones, and everything, whatever I want to be in my life and to have in my life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, my
really will. And I really want to thank our community members also, the women in our community. They are very, very big support for me. And they are lovely. I just want to thank them and love them all. I love you all. And thank you so much for all your support. For making me reach the place where I'm standing right now. It's all because the credit goes to all of. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my dear. Super duper amazing. Thank you once again, Dimple, for inspiring so many of us, right? So thank you once again. Beautiful. Love you.
Love you.